Hello guys, I'm Ravi Paliwal and welcome to the Wireshark Labs. Okay, in this lab we are going to cover the DHCP. Okay, so DHCP is called Dynamic Host Control Protocol. So let us go to the manual and I have again created a simplified manual to easily work with this lab. Okay, so what is lab procedure? So we have to open the command prompt and clear the all the host settings. Okay, using this command, and again we have to initialize the settings and the capture. We have to capture. Okay, so we open Wireshark first. Okay, so let it be open, and we also open the command prompt. Okay, so in command prompt, we run this command ipconfig/release. So it will release all the obtained IP address. Now uh, we select the Wireshark and we start capturing. Okay, so we have started capturing. Again, we'll do that ipconfig/renew. Okay, so it is renewing the command, renewing the IP address. Again, we release and again we try renew to obtain some DHCP messages. Okay, so we close this and we open the Wireshark and stop the capture. Okay, so now we write here boot p. Okay, that is that stands for boot parameters. So boot means we you also see that we here get some net bias messages also. So I'll show you net bias. Okay, this is so we have done settings. So we are using the bias settings of network. So net bias messages are also there. So in this lab we are focusing on DSCP. So we are working with bootp. Okay. So in bootp you can see that we have got some source means our host address was first set to 0000. So it sent to the it has destination. This means it has broadcasted this message to get the uh, data. Okay, so we'll see that that is DSCP discover, then offer, then request, and there are many messages here. Okay, so we'll notice first that DHCP messages are sent using UDP, send above the UDP. Okay, there is a message type here, boot request, and the hardware type is Ethernet. And you can see that we are also shown to see our Ethernet address, that is here. Okay, and we analyze some information. There are hops information 0 seconds elapsed information is there, boot flags are there, that what kind of booting we require, and client IP address is there, and next server IP address is here. Means we are not configured yet, so this information, all information is 0000 IP address, and this is our MAC IP address, and server host name not given, boot file name not given, magic cookie is something information there, and discover type message, client identifier is given somewhere here, and requested IP address. Yeah, so we have requested the network. Okay, that is our network IP address, and we have requested this. Okay, to for settings. Okay, host name is given, that is my laptop name, and the vendor and some information are there that are advanced information, so we are not going to cover this. Okay, so request list item was we are requesting for subnet mask, router, DNS, and various informations. Okay, so then last option is end option. So we can analyze these all information from here. Okay, and using this information, you can uh, answer the questions provided in the manual. Okay, easily. So after configuring, you can see that we have got the DHCP and all information using ipconfig. So you can see that for wireless we have DNS suffix is not there, but the DNS suffix I have already told you in private previous videos that it is assigned only for the servers, okay, for which we have obtained a domain name, okay. So physical address and some temporary link local address and subnet mask, all information we got, okay. And the lease obtained is also this the time we renewed this all information about the DHCP server is given here, and DHCP client DUID and DNS servers and all information is renewed. So this you can try to troubleshoot your network problems sometimes. Okay, so that's all in this DHCP lab. So we'll meet in next lab with some other topics. Okay. Thank you guys.